Hey guys, today we are testing this. It's a tire inflator. It's a portable compressor from Baseus, and we are going to perform a real-life test because this is the weather like right now, and over here I have Fiat Punto with a flat tire, almost flat tire. I've removed almost all air from it. The tire is very soft right now, and I'm going to connect the compressor over here, and we're going to check if it will be able to make this tire pressure correct again, and how long it will take. It's cold. I hope that I will be able to connect this properly, but hey, that's the real life test. Yeah. Okay. Now let's turn it on. .8 of a bar, so let's select that we want 2.5 bars, and let's turn it on. Okay, so it took a while to make the pressure correct again, about 8 or even 10 minutes, and let's go quickly through the device, through the features, pros and cons of this product. So we have 5 buttons over here. The first one, when you press and hold it, will turn it on. When you short press it, you will turn on the compression. The second button turns on the flashlight, which is over here, helpful at night. And the third button changes, browses through presets, so we have some presets for different applications, and when you press and hold it, you can switch between PSI and bars. And plus and minus just adjust the pressure that you want to put into your car's tire. We have 4 LEDs. This is the battery status. We have micro USB. This is how you charge the battery. We have the flashlight, and we have the air vent over here. And the air tube is over here, as well as the accessories for different kind of valves and swimming pool accessories, bolts or punch bags or whatever you want to pump up. Two biggest advantages of this device is that it's so small that I can even fit it over here easily, and the second one is that there are no wires, because in all my cars, previous and this one, I had those repair kits. I didn't have a spare tire. I had repair kits with some kind of glue and a wired compressor, and the wired compressor is a little bit faster than this device. It took about 5 minutes with the wired one to pump up the tire, but after it's done, you need to spend like 4 or 8 minutes trying to fit the cables back inside this designed box. And with this one, once it's done, you just unplug it from the wheel and put it in your car, and you are done. So it's slower to pump up, but it's faster to fully use it than the wired ones. Okay, so other than speed, I really don't have any complaints about this device. Maybe the accessories are a little hard to put back inside. You need to do it in a specific order, and there's no carrying case for it, so you will have to just place it freely in your trunk or in some kind of compartment. There's no case for it, no carrying bag. But other than that, I really like this device. It's very useful. If you want to buy one of those, you will find it in Banggood, and in the description below this video or in top comment you will find I believe 30% discount code. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this quick and simple review, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.